let's make slime. So this is my mixing tool. I'm using the back of a paintbrush because I don't own shit. And this is my slime activator. This is Elmer's Magical Liquid, but I just rebottle it because I thought maybe using this glue bottle would be more efficient and neater to just squirt everywhere. And then I have my glue. I thought it would be cool to put in a box, and it looks really pop. And then this is my water that I'm going to be using to make my water slime. As you can see, I added some shimmer to it, so let's start. First, we're gonna add our glue. Oh my god! Okay, this is very old glue. It's turning into slime already? Okay, so you can see our glue is added. Now let's put our water. Now let's just mix it up until it mixes in fully with the water. I'm gonna leave my glue bottle open. Okay, I think this is gonna turn out really good. Yeah, this is gonna turn out super duper good. I'm just excited about it. The color is absolutely fascinating. I do not have scent, so I'm gonna add perfume at the end of making this slime. Now let's add our activator. I'm gonna activate it like a lot so I don't have to add another entire bottle of Elmer's glue. It's very sticky. I think it needs more activator. Nothing's gonna bite. Activator doesn't bite. Okay, okay, let's go, we made it. This looks super duper good. When I say this looks so good, this looks so good. 4% for my phone. Let's make this quickly. Where's my activator? Now, our water slime looks amazing. So this is how it turned out. I love like how this is super duper jiggly, and yeah. Okay, so bye. I love you guys.